Pause the video to work on these problems. When you're done, unpause the video to take a look at the answers and the solutions. Pause the video to take a look at the answers or keep playing the video to see the solutions. Now let's look at the solutions for these problems. So 2 sevenths plus 4 sevenths equals 2 plus 4 over 7 equals 6 sevenths. And I cannot simplify it any further, so I'll leave it at 6 sevenths. 5 twelfths plus 4 twelfths equals 5 plus 4 over 12, which is 9 twelfths. I can leave it at that, or I can simplify it and say 3 times 3, 4 times 3, cancel the common factor, and I'm left with 3/4. 3/8 plus 7/8 is the same as 3 plus 7 over 8, which is equal to 10/8. I can simplify that to 5 times 2 over 4 times 2 and cancel the common factors, which is 5/4. And I can write 5/4 as a mixed fraction, which is 1 and 1/4. 9/4 plus 11/4. Again, I do the same. It's 9 plus 11 over 4, which is equal to 20/4. And 20/4 is fine as an answer, but really I can simplify 20/4 to 5. Now let's do subtraction. Subtraction is quite similar to addition. So 4 ninths minus 2 ninths is 4 minus 2 over 9 equals 2 ninths. And that's my final answer. 7 tenths minus 2 tenths, 7 minus 2 over 10 equals 5 tenths. And that's fine, but I can easily simplify 5 tenths to half. "23 twelfths minus 7 twelfths is 23 minus 7 over 12, which is 16 twelfths. And I can simplify 16 twelfths to 16 is 4 times 4, 12 is 3 times 4. Cancel out the common factor, I'm left with 4/3. And I can write 4/3 as a mixed fraction as 1 and 1/3. 19 sixths minus 7 sixths is 19 minus 7 over 6 equals 12 sixths, which is fine, but I can easily simplify that to 12 sixths is the same as 2. Now let's look at the word problems. In the first problem, Kishon was having a party and he mixed 7/8 of a gallon of orange juice and 3/8 of a gallon of pineapple juice to make some punch. I drew a model to represent the problem. So this is the orange juice, which is 7/8 of a gallon, and this is the pineapple juice, which is 3/8 of a gallon. And you'll notice that if I take this 1/8 and put it in here, I'll fill up the gallon and I'll be left with 2 more eighths. So how do we write this as a mathematical equation? So because we are adding together both the juices, we say 7/8 plus 3/8 equals 7 plus 3 over 8 equals 10/8. And I can simplify that to 5 times 2, 4 times 2, which is 5/4. Now since it's gallons, I like to write it as a mixed fraction, because in real life you'll find that gallons are written either as whole numbers or mixed fractions or in decimals. but usually not as an improper fraction. So 5/4 is the same as 1 and 1/4. The question is asking me how many gallons of juice did he have. So I'm going to answer that question with an answer sentence that Keyshawn had 1 and 1/4 gallons of juice altogether. Now let's look at the next problem. Maria had 11/12 yard of yellow fabric. So this is the 11/12 yard of yellow fabric. And she used up 5/12 of yard of the fabric to make a scarf. So if I look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are 5/12 and I used it up. So it's like I cut it up and used it for scarf, and this is what I'm left with. So how do I write this as an equation? I started out with 11/12 minus 5/12 because I used it up, and that is 11 minus 5 over 12, which is 6/12, and I can simplify that to half. So the question is how many yards of the yellow fabric was left, and my answer sentence is half a yard of yellow fabric. Wow, this F doesn't look like an F. Of yellow fabric was left.